I'm unplugging a bad motor here in our hot tub. These are the two motors right here, these two bundles of wires. This one is the one that's bad. So I'm going to disconnect these three wires right here. You can see where they go, these three wires. One goes to that breaker. Green one goes right next to this other green one. And the white one goes, let's see, here's a good angle, right above this other white one. So I think if I disconnect these, it's going to run quieter. It's not going to, we're not going to hear that noise. So here goes. There's one. Two. There's three. So they're all disconnected now. Now I'm going to test to see if it makes that noise.